to a penny, hot cross buns. If you had no daughters, give it to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns.
Habis deh. Goyang lagi dong. Goyang lagi dong. KL jatuh.
So I took him by the left leg and threw him down the stairs. The stairs gave a crack and he fell back. And all the little ducklings went quack, 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 quack.
Habis. KL. KL. Aja tak. Jatuh. Jatuh kan? Jatuh kan? Jatuh kan?